Sunday. And y'all know what happens on Sundays. It's creative time. It's time to make stuff. It's time to have fun. There's a lot of creativity on our table. Our table? On our table! Welcome everyone to Creative Sundays, the show where I make things. Yeah, that's about it. That sounds about right. How is everyone doing this beautiful Sunday? I hope y'all doing good. I've been feeling, still, I don't feel fully recovered from, the absolute chaos that was last week, but, yeah, so today's gonna be a bit of a chill one, I think. Most probably it's gonna be a chill one. To the point I don't really know what I'm gonna make today either. But yeah, I'll be getting on working through something. And yeah, sorry if I'm like, what, 40 minutes late at this point? Yeah, I've really stuck with my schedule. I really need to find a way to fix it. And I don't want to, like, change this actual schedule for the stream to start later, because I'll just start even later than usual if I do that. So I just know myself. And with the amount of time I have available, because I have my job tomorrow, I can't really, you know, make the stream extend longer tonight. So that's a problem. But I want to fix it. They've just that, yeah, I've not been recently to do any of that. But I'm here. So yeah, that's the input of it. I am here. Ah, yeah, you don't actually see me because, yeah, I don't have my thing open. There we go. Oh boy, what happened to me out of here? Holy crap. Well, hello. I am indeed here now. So, yeah, I'm not really sure what I want to make today, as I said. I have multiple options, but I'm just not sure. I really am not sure. I could make music, of course. For example, Beta works. It needs a little soundtrack for the trailer when that gets finished. I could continue working on the CVR world. There's many things. Many things that I could do. So it's just a question of actually finding a thing to do. Yeah, I just noticed something on my background. Hang on. What happened to the shadow? Yes. I'm noticing something with the shadow of my background. Of the character of the background. I am... What happened to that shadow? That does not look natural. Did I mess up something? Uh-oh. If I did, well, there's no way I can fix it now. So, yep. It's not super noticeable either, so it's not that bad. It's just unfortunate. I do want to go check anyways. It's gonna be this one. There's a PNG. I don't want to do PNG. This one. Maybe it is natural, but I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh no, I see it's natural. It is natural. The outline's there. Ah, I see. Okay. Never mind. Fast unload. So weird, because the shadows not look natural like this. That's so weird. Well then. I am a graphic designer. Wait, what could I do today? I'm not sure. I just did not plan anything tonight. Just like I did not plan anything for last Friday, I have no plan today. Absolutely beautiful. Let the paper I told you. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. Yeah. What did I do? Yep. Oh, move there. And move there. Okay. Why is it like this? The big room was completely broken. Hopefully I can bring a bit of joy. Because hope has arrived because I am here. Ah boy. Yeah, well I got the Unity I've got the Unity project for it. For the CVR world. Almost gonna put the oh man, that sucks. Hopefully everything's alright. Yeah, I've got a CVR world open. What is going on with that line? That's a shader bug. I've seen that thing happen a couple of times already. Is it the positional thing? What is going on with this? It's not visible here. But you can see there. I don't know what's going on. I just realized there's no outline. The outline broke. What? Yikes. Why would that happen? Is it because this is baked? No, that can't be because it's baked. That's not baked. That is not baked. Why in the heck is the water like this? But why? Is this baked in? No, it's actually white. Oh. That's a main area. That's a... Okay, so... That's baked into Oh, you know what? Because the water is baked in the same thing. Oh, that's probably what. I'm probably gonna have to go and separate the water from the background. Because my guess is that because it's the same object, it's not actually capturing what's behind in the shader. That would be my only guess, because it worked last time. There you go, found that fried chicken. Oh boy, I'm tired today. Holy crap. Of course, a blender can add on update. Of course. How many goddamn updates are there gonna be? Restart blender. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just tired. Whole world. Okie dokie. But wait, it is a separate object. Oh no, because I undid everything. That explains it. Hey, just a second there. Oh gosh. Smack this here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go in and modify this a little bit. So I don't know how I did it exactly. So it's just called this. I'll just copy this name. I won't copy the trees, but I do want to apply the modifier this. That should be good. Apply these. I want to merge with this. What else? I would need to merge with the ceiling as well. Then I'll merge with trees indeed. Yeah, just have to merge with these. That and these things. Export all of these. Separate. That tree, I forgot almost. There you go. So literally, the only thing that's going to be missing is going to be the rings and the main environment. Like the main thing. Alright, I'll go and export this into ET. Export FBX. This one. Second object. Don't big. Export. Alright, what did export? File, export, FBX. This folder. That folder, there we go. Should explore it. Mishes. Poof. There we go. All good here. So this should be imported and right environment. Yeah, I might have to redrag everything up. So gosh, to take this and go poof. Very tired. Copy. maybe can I just paste this? Actually, wait, hang on. Ah, shit, I forgot to apply the modifier to fucking trees. Yeah. Got it. I almost got it. Forgot to apply these. Two, 3, 4, 5. I recall putting 5 of these and then this. Yeah. Re-export that again. Yoink. There we go, much better. Much better. I'll put it reflection probe static. Teach children. And yeah. So this all things should be reflection probe static. Blah 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 blah. Where is water? Ooh, damn. Water is not a goldy Jesus. Why is that water plane up here? What the fuck? That's this water plane. What's the other water plane doing? Ah, that must be this. Okay, I see. I see. Wait, it's not completely offset though. Why? You just drag the entire thing up again. That looks about right. Make sure everything is put correctly. And the water is completely off. Why is it completely off like that? Because I don't need the offset anymore. That still did not fix the issue though. That is strange. That is very strange. Even like that, it's not fixed. Like you see that line, right? It's when it worked last time, but not here. Hang on, I'm gonna go and revert that shader to something else. To the original shader. No, but wait, I can't do the original shader. That's right. Because the original one has been done in URP. This is SRP. The standard pipeline. So that original shader won't work here. There is something going on in this. I gotta fucking see. Yeah, it's like this works. That's fine. Remap. Like, it's where it should work. But it's not. What if I do model 2.5? Not sure. Actually, it's not doing anything. That's what this works. Like that. But not like this. I'll say that's making it. It is the opposite. Okay, if I play it like this, it works, but then I don't have normal map. Huh. I'm not sure what's going on here. I can't seem to do the vertex normal. Alright, this is still pretty decent though. Having at least that. Like it semi-works. It's just not that intense. Huh. Very strange. Very, 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 very strange. that's not doing anything. Hmm. I don't know how this was plugged in. I'm gonna add another node actually over here. I'll call this one height. Let's set the default value to 1. You're just slight movement like this. The water is fixed now. I do want to modify the outline to a little bit. Let's see if that works. Yeah, perfect. There you go. The water is fixed now. That is nice. Very nice. Next up. Yeah, I got everything correct here. So that should be good to go. Now, I also need to fix the post-processing because that is not working currently. It's so weird because like all the things I'm seeing just says have the main camera, the main reference camera like this, but it's not working. I'm not trying to set it to everything. And see if that does anything. Because I feel like I'm missing something somewhere. I am missing something somewhere. I know. But yeah, not. Yeah, I swear if that does not fix the post-processing, I don't know what's going to be fixed for that. I really don't know. Just have to wait for the data build. Taking a while here, fast per usual. 20T. It's not that long to upload now that it's using a different baking plugin. ITV, how are you? Way chill out the VR. Shush. Alright, just gonna have to wait for the game to open. Waiting for the world to just. Oh yeah, right. I changed home world, so that's why it's taking a while to download. I keep forgetting that. Damn. Loading world bendel. Because is there any bloom in this? I don't think there is. But I don't have my pointer. Yeah, I don't have my pointer. Yeah, I don't have my pointer, so I can't click anything. Okay, well, but anyways, just worlds, my worlds, this one, and just make an instance. There we go. That's fine. And the bloom is not fixed. Why is it never goddamn fixed? Also, frame rate. Might have to go in settings for that one, huh? Frame target, can I do 60? And no VSync. There you go, now I got frames from my webcam. Oh man, no, I can definitely feel the 60 versus 240. Damn. I bet the lighting is still kind of broken. Ah, yeah, from the front, it's gonna be super broken. Oh no, it's not that bad. I fixed that. Fixed that last time. Oh, this is not fully dark, which is a bit... Huh. Yeah, everything works fine here. Avigen. My boy. Man, it does look pretty good up close. Oh, a storm happened, blackout. Oh no. God, I've heard of storms happening all around the globe, especially in the US. Just damn. Yeah, the US is being just invaded. Stupid. Absolutely stupid. Yeah, hopefully you stay safe, blackout. Yeah, of course, it's really cool. Avigen. But I still don't understand why the blue is just not working at all. That's gonna be something I'm gonna have to ask Discord most probably. I'm ready to hell, yikes. Yeah, not fun. Don't I have a top for this? Damn it. CFC did not put a top to this? I'm gonna have to edit that. It's the same on the other side, is it? Yeah. At least the mirror works. Oh, would it be cool to add like a Fresnel effect to this? Like the mirror is fully displayed like this, but then like this, it's almost fully transparent. That would be sick. But why is the blue not goddamn working? That's what I don't understand. Because clearly in the damn Unity project, let me add a little. Go. Thing to make it a bit smoother. Yeah, clearly in the project, if I go to TVR world, you can see main camera reference. It should work, but I don't get it. I don't get it. Why the bloom's not working, why the post-processing's not working, I don't know. Even when I set it to everything, it's not working. Clearly it should work, but it is not working at all. I don't see why it would not work. This is so weird. This is very weird. So goddamn weird. I might do other aspects in the meantime. I could do tables potentially. I could also do the chill area. I wonder though. If I go in the main camera and set this to like just something obviously too small, would that work? So inches at 10,000, let's put it like that. And we'll see if it actually gets a reference to this. If there's no depth, if you just can't see anything past like 10 meters, that means it is reading the camera component, but not the post-processing. I wonder if I have to put the volume actually on the camera itself at that rate. I feel like that's the only plan of action next. Alright. Back to the game we go. As if I can see past 10 meters, that means it's just not reading the post-processing. And I think we have our answer here. It is not reading the post-processing.
Chirp, chirp.
Chirp, chirp. So, yeah, that is a small problem. And I really don't know what the heck the problem is at this point.
Hey guys, it's me.
It is you. How you like him?
Hi, Mike. Making it chill out VR world.
Yeah, the chill VR world and post processing is an absolute fucking bitch.
I never dealt with post processing, but yeah, hope you good luck with that.
Yeah, I mean it's not supposed to be that hard. Like literally it works here, but not in world. So I'm gonna try another thing. Where is the actual post processing volume? There's the volume. I'm gonna delete that. Place it directly on the camera itself.
Do you have the feeling that you're about to sneeze, but then don't sneeze?
I feel that.
Yeah.
What if I do this? The volume is on the camera itself. What will happen then? Also, do you have noise cancelling on your mic? Just curiosity.
It should. Give me a second. It's on.
It is on, okay. Just wanted to be sure. I heard a noise that did not get cancelled by noise cancelling.
Cause like I think it just sometimes detects my breathing, which is weird.
Yeah, it captures your sniffing. Your
Nasal
nose.
congestion, am I right?
Yeah, I don't know why it captures that and not other things.
I don't know. Ask Discord.
It's very strange. I mean, it's crisp. I guess crisp is just crisp on that aspect.
Just crisp on that aspect.
Yeah, I don't know. Ah. Yeah, seriously did not know what to do today, so CVR
Same
world
here.
it is.
I'm just over here making a render.
Fair enough.
I'm not gonna mention what the render is though. But
Yeah, because it is secret, boy.
not a secret render, just a random render.
Oh, okay then. Okay, so let's see. Is post-processing on it? No. No, it's not. Wait, is HDR even on? Is HDR even on? Oh, hi Dan. Hello. Thanks for the
It's a
cheer.
Denevero.
Denevero. Hello, how are you? Been a while.
Denevero.
Hello, Felix. Wow, wow. Thank you for the resub. 3 months. Hey, wow, wow. How you doing? Oh. Oh. I'm an absolute fucking idiot.
Do you mean you're absolute fucking burbrain?
I'm an absolute fucking idiot. Blue was toggled off in the settings of the game. My brain is the size of a fucking peanut.
Don't forget to take out your pens.
Your goddamn Google toggled on.
My echo died!
You echo just shut up, Alexa.
I'll be like, shut up!
Ooh, what is this game? This is a chill out VR.
Hold on, I'm clipping this part, it's funny.
Yeah, Dan, this is chill out VR here. I'm making a word for it. My expressions would work again. There we go. Making a word for it. It's gonna be a meetup world, and I've got main lobby. Gonna have some stuff there. I'm gonna have my little merch bit with avatars and stuff landing here with the demo versions as well here, where you can just blip, and there you go. Just game a boy. Do they have scripting now? They don't, but there are ways to go around it. Like you can see this door here. If I go close to it, boop, it opens up. And if I go further away, it just goes back. There are ways to go around stuff. Like, there is like, you can put buttons, you can like put triggers, you can do a buttload of events with triggers and stuff. And yeah, you can kind of cheese it. Like, there's no like contacts by default on avatars, like in VRC. But what I've done here for this, anyone can go through here. Like, everyone will have this trigger, whatever their avatar. Because I have actually pinned a capsule with a trigger on it. A trigger collider. Also, I don't know, I think it's a regular collider. But it's pinned to the avatar, and I've got some triggers here that toggles this on and off. So like, there's no scripting, but you can still do some pretty nice stuff. If you, like, have a big enough brain, of course. Alright, Tony, have a good night. But yeah, it's like, they don't have scripting yet, but remember that they're a small team. They don't have as much brain power as VRC. And also at one point they were working on like an engine upgrade, but then the whole EAC of VRC came through, which plumped a buttload of new users in CVR, which they kind of had to halt the development of everything and go fix all the networking stuff instead, to like have the new influx of people not like freeze up. They use a millimeter bolt. Yeah, I mean, it's still like, yeah, they can do that, but it's not secure. Like, I know platforms that use bolt, and I know one of them, which I won't name the name here because it fucking sucks. But it's like, yes, they have scripting with bolt. Yes, it's pretty powerful, but how secure is it? Like, how secure is bolt if you just implement it super quick? Because you have to have a way to actually limit stuff, because else you can actually do some kind of virus with it. So they're planning to do just like VRC with their custom nodes and stuff. I mean, yeah, but you can still write your own functions, technically. And they cannot blacklist those, unless they blacklist custom functions, which would be a complete downer. VRC is kind of different. I'm not sure how VRC works, but an udon file is like a text file, which is like nodes, like name of node, parameters, what's connected to it, as a text file, and then VRC reads that and converts that into like something that's readable for the game. I think that's what it does. When I played with udon at one point. Here I don't know how they're gonna do it, but the last update, they do monthly updates at least. And yeah, they're gonna put soon the Unity upgrade in public beta, I think. In a public branch somewhere.
Okay, got it.
But yeah, even though there's no scripting in CVR, you can still do some nice things. And heck, the prop system, like where you can just spawn props. I mean, I don't have like props in my uploaded on my account, but you can just have something and just plump it down if you want. As a prop.
I tried that in Chill Out. It's pretty cool.
Have you tried props?
Yeah, I tried spawning in props. It's actually pretty easy to do.
I mean, I don't have props in my list. You have to upload it to your own account.
You have in your like a UI, right?
I mean, there's this.
There's no look down next to worlds. There's props.
That is where I am right now, you dumb bird brain.
So, Okay, how do I,
I think unless there's like a search function for it. Yeah, it's probably because you wanted to search and then look up props and stuff. Like if I were to look up like radio or something.
Oh!
Portal radio?
Yeah, there is some props there.
Portal radio HD. Drop.
And
what did it drop it? Ah, there it is.
I'm gonna put the clip in the...
There it is. Yeah, I can't actually grab it.
I'm gonna rewatch that.
But yeah, you can just spawn props like that.
I'm just keep watching that one clip with my perks.
Yeah, so you can just spawn props like that. It works best in VR because I can't grab it myself right now, but yeah, props. So it's like, you can imagine like chill out like a mix between VRC and Neos. You've got like the simplicity of VRC combined with like prop system of Neos. It's slick. It's nice. And that's why like I think like chill out has a lot of potential. Even if it does not have like the scripting capabilities of VRC, nor other platforms. You could imagine this, like the current state of it, as how VRC started pretty much. Like the development's slow, I agree with that, but the devs are working on it. And the thing why there's like not many updates so far is that they're really in the middle of an engine upgrade. Like they're trying to upgrade to the new Unity instead. And of course that takes a bunch of time. Because there's a bunch that can go wrong doing that. So yeah, there's like network patches, some small like voice microphone patches, but yeah, an engine upgrade is nothing, of course, especially for their manpower. They can't just do a bunch of updates on the mainframe and try to do an engine upgrade at the same time, because any update they do might break on the new engine. But I'm pretty sure once the engine upgrade's done, a buttload of new features are going to be added, and they're going to start back working on the scripting aspect. Let me just actually create a new instance, because yeah, now I've got that portal radio I can't despawn. So let me go back in Unity and do my my actions with the post-process volume. Post-processing, link camera, put it back to default, and upload again. Now that's actually quite hard. What's quite hard? Yeah, to scripting something here? I guess so, but yeah, I mean, no script means limited possibilities, but like, you know, people are gonna do some crazy stuff with limited possibilities. Like there's some people that have made like working like tape players that could play music tapes, and you could just put the tape in, press the play button, rewind. People have done that because you've actually got variables as components. Like I'm re-uploading this quick. And see if I can fix the post-processing, bring it back to where it was before. Now that I've figured out my problem. There was a freaking bird brain in that one. But if you take a look at like some of the components here, like this one, like attachment here, that's the collider for like doors and stuff. Bird brain. You know, stupid brain, bird brain, peanut brain. Alright, let me try to rejoin again and see if that fixes it. But yes, like attachment, you can just attach any object to anything. A bone, a tracker, whatever. And that was a problem. You got your mirror scripts where you can put like even custom. Why is there nothing on this one? Whatever. Like you can put a mirror script on a plane or whatever and put a custom shader on that mirror. Can you touch it? What? Something got censored here. What did you say, naughty bad? What did you say, naughty here? I mean, you could attach anything you want. I'm just saying. You do. Yeah. Well, you can attach anything you want. Well, thanks again for the BT again. And yeah, like talking senses and stuff. Like, I don't know if you knew about this in terms of like the mature aspect of everything. Like, as any platform, people are bound to do mature stuff with questionable things. So far, seems like CVR has like the best system around that. Because I don't know if you've seen, but when I was in the build window, you could see like all the bajillion tags there were. There's a buttload of tags to protect against like performance or not safe for work stuff. Could be like nudity, gore, whatever, violence. There's a bunch of tags you can put, and even like safety, like flashing lights or stuff, you can do that. And for the mature aspect of everything, those tags, if you want them to be, if you want to get ability to actually toggle those on, you're gonna need to have a DLC on Steam, which is free, but is locked behind the 18 plus of Steam. So there's no way for you to actually get it unless you confirm that you're 18 plus. If you don't have the DLC, well, you can't turn those on. And that is something I really love about this. They really care about like user protection and stuff. It could be that, it could be like rippers, it could be anything. They really care about their community. There was some attachments you forgot about. I wonder what. Yeah, we're not talking about that on stream, of course, but yeah, that's always the best when it happens. It's like, yes, let me work on someone's avatar. Oh wait, what? Oh, what's this? Let's say we won't stick up the attachments. Yeah. Attachments. We love our attachments. Let me just go to this one. My Avigen. Yeah, big E on that one. That's weird, like, I suppose there's some titanic bones on this, which is... They don't work perfectly here. Yeah, Avigen is such a complicated thing. Dynamic attachment, yeah. I mean, you have like, just like in VRC, you got all those, like the toggles you can do. I can like dock everything here. I can change my eyes, I can enable my stuff. And just my position stuff. Ah, wait, you don't even see the game. Well then. Like you've got all the modifications in dynamic, yeah, dude, your modifications and stuff. Here, enable your stuff. How about no? How about no? Yeah, it does have a mirror. That's actually a trick I've tricked the game. I have tricked the thing. I've got like the main mesh and everything, but inside that mesh, right over here, I put a plane which act as the mirror. That's just a separate plane. That's the mirror. Because without it, there's actually nothing. And that mirror I can actually go over there. Those are still like placeholders for now, but I can toggle on and out the mirror, and I can also adjust the opacity of it. Let me just quickly enable my my HUD. There we go. Yeah, adjust the opacity of it. So yeah, with good trickery, you can make it work. Planar reflection and European can work in your binocular. It can. Like the thing, like let me show you how to actually make a mirror. So first off, you need of course a plane, and then you need a special shader with 3 textures, or minimum 2, but 3 preferably. Your main texture, which is like your texture for the mirror as a bonus, and then 2 textures: reflection texture left and reflection texture right. This mirror script, all it does is just assign 2 textures to these 2 slots. And its shader editor, it's really simple. You've got the non-stereo screen position here, which goes into a remap, because I don't know why it's inverted here. And then you've got your 2 textures here, which go through the exact same UV. And then I've got a custom expression with a custom script here that says if this parameter, this is a default Unity parameter. Unity stereo eye index is 0, that's the left eye. If that's a 1, it's the right eye. So what that does, it takes the inputs, like the left and right inputs, and then tests it. So if it's 0, the out is going to be the left texture. If it's a 1, then the right is going to be the out texture. And then I multiply that with the main texture and send that to emission, because that is an unlit shader. Yeah, remap. So what it does is it remaps one input, a minimum and min max old, to a new minimum maximum. So if you have a remap from 0.1 to 0.2, if you're to do 0.5, it will return 1. But what I'm doing here is I'm remapping. I don't know why I have to do this, but I have to actually invert the X. The Y is fine, but the X I have to invert it. That's why the remap. It just remaps the X to be inverted. Don't ask me why it's like this, but it's like this. But nothing would stop you to actually use this output and then use it on a regular shader with like a normal map and displacement, and you can make like a cracked shader. It would look really sick. Like I've seen some people actually do that. I've met someone actually in VRC making a world. And they have like a ground floor with tiles. And that floor is set as a mirror. but all the tiles have a normal on it, which offsets the actual reflection texture, which makes it look just crazy. Yeah, I mean, it's technically already projected. A mirror script, it's I don't know if you've actually made a mirror, because what it does is that I have it in one of my other projects actually. Unimetrical stuff, I guess it can be done with the mirror metrics. The thing is, a true mirror needs an actual script. It cannot just use a shader. The script, what it does is that it takes a second camera. Actually, I could open up my VR SDK and you'd be able to see it, I think. Let me save this and wait for a second. I don't need this anymore. Yeah, I don't. No, because like honestly, I'll be honest. The mirror I'm using in the VR SDK, I kind of did a programmer thing and just copied the code of someone else. If I be honest. But it's a open code. It was shared online, so yeah. So like it's like technically the eye is projected, but you have to run a separate script to place a second camera to project from where that angle would be, and you have to do it for both eyes. And the thing is, a mirror like this, depending on the mirror, it could work or not with canted displays. Like for example, with my VR system and Shell VR and VRC and everything, those games, the mirror works with both Index and Pimax. Index does not have canted displays, I think, but VRC. But the Pimax does have a canted display. So yeah, the mirror has to work with those. Yeah. So VRC and stuff, that works, for example. But in Neos, it doesn't work with Pimax. It doesn't work with the canted displays. So yeah, it really depends on what you do and how you actually code it. It's just not good. Like the production is completely wrong in both eyes. Like it's not compensating for the production matrix, for the projection matrix of the Pimax. It's not compensating for that. Versus Shell VR and VRC and the script I got for VRE. Yeah, there's a far angles, yeah, that's Did you do yours in bold or something? Because if so, that's impressive. Where is that scene? Where's the VR SDK? God damn it. I lost my VR SDK. Really?
That's a move. Big.
Unless it's here. This is no compression, no. Your SDK editor? No. This one? No. One of those? No. I'm just gonna look for any scene. What then? Oh, both? Huh. Interesting. Where would it be? Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Nope. Oh, nope. 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 Which goddamn thing is it? Let's see if you can see. No. Is it just a sample scene? It's just a sample scene, is it? No, it's not a sample scene. It's not that one. Not that one either. Is it just this one? No, it's not this one either. Where the fuck? That's the HDK. Where the f... Yeah, I lost my scene. How did I lose my scene? That's so weird. Nancy, no. Where is it? Oh. Ah, stupid. There it is. Stupid me. Found it. Dumper brain. Got it. There's the mirror. And you can even see the camera that over there. It's just following. With like the proper clipping matrix and everything. And yeah, then with a custom shader, then you can apply like a normal to actually distort everything. So I used that to my advantage to actually make some kind of like a blurred effect. Like it works best when going slowly, but it's looking pretty nice. Mirrors. Mirrors, am I right? But yeah, I'm still... What to do next for the world, though? I'm not sure. Like, I'll be honest, I've kind of like ran out of inspiration for a lot of things recently. That's why like I'm not like super like inspired to do anything. Like it's been 2 days now that I've not been inspired to do much. Which I feel is a little concerning for myself. Like, I feel I don't know what it could be. I'll be honest. Like, I've got so many things going on that, yeah, it's not great. It's really not great. Like, I'm trying my best to, like, do stuff and stay inspired and stay motivated to do stuff, but with everything that's been happening recently, it's kind of hard. It's really kind of hard. With every, like, kind of discussion I'm hearing recently, just stress, work, it's not fun. It is just not fun. Like, I feel like another, like, break is bound to happen. If I'll be honest, like a stream break. Like, I don't want to miss the subathon though, which is gonna be on my birthday. Don't want to miss that. So at least I want to come back to this. If I ever do a break, I want to be back on stream by then. The only series I would not take a break of would be Avatar Mondays. That's the only thing I would not take a break. Because that Avatar needs to be done by Silva, which is the new Ferrari, actually. Like, I don't think I've even said the name of the new next Ferrari here yet. Yeah, for Silva, that's the next Ferrari. Ferrari Silva, and yeah, I need to have it done by then, because I'm gonna apply for a booth again. 100%, I'm applying for a booth. And that Ferrari is gonna happen start of June. So right now I've pretty much got June 2nd to 4th. Yeah, just under 3 months to complete it. So that means 12 episodes, potentially, to complete Featherworks. And I don't want to take a break on it. Like, I still feel motivated to make Featherworks. I do feel motivated. Maybe tired, but I'm motivated for that. But for something like this, which doesn't have a specific deadline, it's kind of hard to justify. Like, I've got a couple projects at the moment, which all have deadlines. This is not one of them. Like, there's a project that I'd like to work on potentially here, but I want to keep it off stream for now. And there's also another one, the secret project, which, as I said, that one is supposed to be done by April. So towards my birthday it should be done. But yeah, I've got many projects with deadlines. It's kind of complicated to keep track of and stay sane. So yeah. And it doesn't help the fact that I don't know what I want to put in this room either. Nor is this one. Like, I need to make the assets for them. At least I fixed the bloom issue. Which is nice. I fixed the bloom issue. I do wonder what would happen if I were to go in VR, because I noticed a performance issue last time, but that was when there was like a bajillion reflection probes. Light probes. When there was an absolute bajillion of these things. I had way more in the past iteration when I tried in VR. Now I don't. So, could be a good opportunity to try that. if only there was a spline plugin though. That way I could like make the actual trails for the birds and everything. I kind of want to make an animation for like a bird to just come over here, fly there, and then fly back on the track or something. That could be nice.
Maybe a cloud.
Just the bird comes in from over here, flies there, flies in front of this, then goes to fly here. And flies over here. Like just there, back on the track. That could be sick as a little detail. But yeah, what could I put here though? That is a good question. What to put on the rest of the darn map? Because there really is a bunch of things I could put. So many things. It's not even funny. Like, if you like, I know what I want to put here. This I kind of know, because that would be like put a sheet tables and just different things. And then here, this is supposed to be the games stuff, but unfortunately since there's no scripted capabilities, I can't actually do games. But yeah, no, that's not gonna work. So I gotta find something here for now, which I could do an art gallery. You know what? If you have fan art, maybe I can put it there for now. Like the fan art zone. Maybe. I kinda need other lights for this though. Because when I've got like a main light. To breathe just a little bit.
When you were playing that record, what were you thinking?
I still love you.
There you go. Is it a group though, actually? I like group. So calling mask, I just want to do avatars. There we go. And this one, I don't want to cast a shadow. Can I put a custom Q map on this? I want to add a friend effect to this. Again, what would I be? The shaders there. Standard rimmed, I wonder. Okay. Yoink. Nope. Just gonna make a rimmed shader. There you go, albedo. Ooh, right. Need that constant. Nope. Float. Okay, what's the property name on just regular shader? That's the map. Ocean strength. Yeah, that's the name. There we go. That's gonna be the occlusion. Map. Da. Okay, class map. Glossiness. Okay, smoothness. It's here. Go. Yeah, that should work. Italics with this. And that needs to start with white again. Now down there would be the normal map. Next gonna be bump scale. And for this, that's gonna be unpack normal map. Bump. That one by default. Zero, 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 one. One. I don't need this. I just need to go here and put it on scale instead. There we go. No map. Into normal. I also need emission. Emission tint. That's emission map. Every color, I think, and an different color, yeah. Makes sense. And this needs to be HDR. Zero initially. Okay. So this should be just buggle standard shader if I could change it now. I'll put it under the S1 folder so I can find it easier. There you go. Absolutely no gosh darn difference. Looks exactly the same. I could make a shader function just albedo. Emission. smoothness, normal, occlusion.
Well, hey, on top of your head. Hee hee.
Yes, you are.
Cozy.
Is it, huh? Delete all of these, place this here. There you go, I just gotta stand it up, but now I can read another shaders too. These outputs are not the right order though. And this should be, yeah, albedo, emission, smoothness, normal occlusion. Yeah, perfect. Albedo, emission, metallic, smoothness, normal, occlusion. Boop. And guess what? Still looks exactly the damn same. Send in this. No change whatsoever. So that worked. It's not to rim this. I'm gonna be here. And I wonder if use Fresnel for this.
I'm gonna go hop into another VC real quick. I'll be BRB.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do this like that. Perfect. And I can do a mix. Actually, not mix. That's in Blender. Blurb. Over here, I'm gonna put actually a clamp. It does not completely breaks up. Can smack that under emission. And that way I can put a color. Property, set it to HDR. Place that here. Trim color. Trim min. And rim max. And on that color, I can actually adjust the HDR to make it very glowy. Give it a more stylized look. I think it works well like that. That looks nice. A little stylized like that. It's impressive, you can just see each subpixel like the reflection of each of them. I'm still very happy by how this turned out. It's just so nice. Just a little piece, but there. So at least I have that shader now. So any avatar I put in there, you'll be able to actually see just a bit. It's gonna be a bit stylized, but it does give like a rim lighting, which gives the effect it's like illuminated by some other light somewhere. But you can still go around and see all the details yourself. I also need to make something for this. Like an event on this. Like I did for the doors, actually. Yeah, I need to put a trigger on this. Panel trigger box. Because the thing is, those things for some reason they display. They do display when when you're through the wall, you can still see the UI, which is a problem. So I'm gonna put the over here. Avatar showcase. Panels trigger enable box. And this, I need to have a box collider, of course. For which I can actually do a thing, like I can do this box like globally enable everything, but I could also add a raycaster on the head of the player, which would then be used to actually see, alright, are you looking at the panel? If yes, then make it opaque. or scale it up. I don't think I can redo that though, but I might just go with the global trigger box though. When you're the actual zone for avatars, which is gonna be over here. Like if you're anywhere near this area, those little things are gonna show. Demo panels. And I want to trigger this object on, and to trigger, set this active. Add an action. No, not add an action. Remove action. Add a trigger on trigger exit. On exit trigger, that's the one. Local, not networked. Layer everything. Actually, no, this should be everything. Everything. No delay. Not networked. Add an action. Demo panels. And I want to set disable. Alright. This should fix the thing. This should fix that panel. Let's upload this and see what happens. Wah. There's not been a single hydrant today, huh? Wow. That's surprising. Thirsty here, take it. Alright, upload this. There we go. Back to the game we go. Yoink. There we go. So that should still work. Yeah, I did not break it. Good. Bloom's still fine. And yeah, now I can't see the thing until I get closer. And there you go. Just like that. It's like you can be like up here and not see the panel, but if you go up here, then you see the thing. I can open up the details, the actual avatar here. And I'm gonna make a decorative like piece, like an actual pedestal for this, with like probably a spotlight object to showcase the spotlight and everything. And that thing I'll be able to reuse it for like any future avatars. Like Featherworks is gonna be somewhere here, and any other future avatars are gonna be in line. And yeah, I'm gonna also put the logo of each avatar on top, with maybe like a panel on the side describing the history or the lore or whatever. It's so weird though that like this is not standardized whatsoever. Like the shape of this specific thing, there's no standard on this. Oh dang it, I have to log in again. Okay, I am on my account. I just want to go, double check because this is a bit high content. My avatars. Yeah, there's like no standard to it whatsoever. Because on the website, you go to my avatars, the shape is a circle. You click on the avatar, it's a rounded square. On a panel like this, it's a hexagon. And then you go on here and it's a perfect square. And then you go in the avatar list and it's slightly round. There's no standard whatsoever. So there's no way to make a specific thumbnail work with everything. You kind of have to have everything circled and everything. At least it's displaying. At least that's something. But yeah, at least now this works fine. And you won't see the UI pass through the walls anymore. You can see it from the back though, which is weird. But it's gonna be nice when there's gonna be like multiple avatars there. And I do want to put like merch pieces, like some of the shirts, the hats and stuff here. Just showcase the merch I have for the VR peeps. We're gonna have to make a sign just like Mike the Bird stuff. Mike the Bird store. Just like panel like merch, avatars this way. You go this way, avatars. List of avatars, and then you have little things of merch here. I could expand this in the future a bit deeper for more if I wanted to. Depending on how many avatars I end up having. Or sell. I mean, at least it's clear that it's a demo because it's written here. Like, dead. Is it actually dead? No, it's not dead on center, but almost dead on center. Yeah, it's gonna be fun when there's gonna be multiple avatars there. I'd have to try it with the index though, but that's gonna break everything. If I try to boot up with the index. Is it even plugged in? No, I mean it's playing the wall, but it's not playing the computer right now. Damn. So that section is gonna be nice. Here it's gonna be nice as well once there's gonna be decoration and actually people here. And yeah, there's a chill zone that's gonna be coming at one point, and yeah, that's gonna be nice. I don't know what I can do in 15 minutes though. I do want to see if I can. Where's the Discord here? There. Let's see. It's like, it doesn't seem to be in yet. Okay, I don't think groups are implemented yet in CVR. Yeah, I want to be sure of that. So if that was already implemented, I'd immediately do the group. But seemingly like I can't just yet, so gonna have to wait for that. I mean, like, I wonder what kind of props I'd be able to make. Oh, you know what? Because Featherworks, actually, I'm just thinking for Featherworks. Featherworks is gonna have multiple things on it. It's gonna have the staff. It's gonna have actually staff slash gain. It's gonna have the hat. It's gonna have the monocle. It's gonna have the bow tie. The cane. I could make it as a prop potentially for CVR. That would be an idea, and the prop I would then say no, like you can operate as a prop, as a private prop, but not say a public, like as a rule for like that advertised TOS. Yeah, that'd be sick having it as a prop. Maybe you can do stuff with it. I'm not sure if you can like read inputs from a state. I'm gonna have to go into documentation for that. Spawn. That's a prop. One interaction down. Yeah, that's intractable. Add trigger on a track down. What can I set as intractable though? No, there's no thing. On custom trigger? No. Actually, there's on gaze. I don't even need to do a recaster. Wow. Okay, there's on gaze enter, on gaze exit. What is on cron? The fuck? It's a job scheduler. What in the sweet mother of heck? That's a thing? Can paste that crown straight. Oh, that a crown, that's a timed event. Once unable, repeat. Okay. Wow. That's interesting. Okay, my tracker died as well. Fuck. Hang on, I'll quickly place myself in. That's interesting. That sounds really nice, actually. Like, if you want events to happen at specific times, can you specify a time zone as well? Or is it... I don't think there's a way to set the actual time zone. Wow, that's interesting. So there's two things with this. There's two ways to do timers then. You've either got, first off, game. Where's the game? Anyway, there's two ways to do it, like a timer. You can put that on timer, which then you can put a certain amount of seconds. Once enabled, repeat or deactivate itself. And you can put a delay to when it starts. But on cron, that's very interesting. You put a delay. Well, I don't know what the delay. I don't know what. It's like triggers at that time, but then delay. I don't know why we do that, but what you then do on here, you move some windows I can read correctly. Like the string they want is formatted like this. And then the command. So what that is, you put, that's a time. So if you put a star, that means just any point. But else you put minute, hour, day of the month, and then day of the week. So that's very interesting. Because then you could do, like if I were to put like 0, 0, star, star, 0, that would say to run at midnight. It's 0 minute, 0 hour, so midnight. Any day of the month, any month, and then that's a Sunday. So pretty much that is saying to run a command once a week on a Sunday midnight. But then you can do like an hourly event by doing this. So that means like, is that hourly or is it midly? Yeah, run at the beginning of each hour. So at 0, that's the beginning of each hour. Any hour, any day of the month, any day of the week. So you could easily do like 0, 0, 1, 1, and star. And that event would run at midnight on New Year's, for example. But then you could also do another one, like just 0, star, 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 or 0 star, 1, 1 star. And that would mean every like new hour, any hour on the 1st of January. So this event would run at every hour, but this one would run only at midnight on January 1st. Or if I want to do like, nah, actually that's like New Year, but New Year's Eve, then I would have to set this one to be 31/12. So that would run every hour on New Year's Eve, and then this one would run on New Year's. Damn, that's actually nice. I did not know that. I just learned something. Cron. Apparently that's something that runs on Unix systems. So it's not something you can do on Windows just casually. But it's interesting that this is implemented. And you can do it globally networked as well. That's interesting. Like one event every hour, that's just wow. And you can like call an action, of course. Not trigger. Remove trigger, remove trigger. Add an action, and then you can do any of the actions that the game allows you to. That's interesting. Wow. I did not know that. And I was just looking about props, and then I see on cron. I'm like, the heck is on cron? And there's documentation about it, and then I see documentation, I'm like, oh my god, that's so interesting. Wow. Very nice. Yeah, it's about to be 10. I'll probably end the stream here. There was, I mean, not much progress done, but at least the bloom is fixed. And I've done a bit of work on the actual avatar pedestal vision. Like how those avatars are going to be displayed. At least there was some progress done, even though it was not much. It was still something. And I'm pretty happy with that. So, yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be another episode of Avatar Mondays, where I'll finish up the rest of the models, so finish up the talons and finish up the actual feathers. And probably start on props after that, potentially. I'll see. I still need to figure out something for the eyes, how I'm gonna make those work. But most of the models done, so it's just a question of finishing that. And yes, it's looking very optimized for that avatar as well, which is nice to see. But yeah, for now I'm gonna have to end the stream, unfortunately. But before we end the stream, of course, you know what happens. Let's go see who to raid. So, let me boot up the usual. Where's the track? There's a track. Beautiful track. The beautiful ending track. We love the ending track. Hoo-wee. Where is... I got so many tabs open. Hang on a second. There we go. Raid. Who's available for raid? Alrighty, let's go say hi to... It's been a while, actually. What are they doing? Miku, what are you doing? Low energy struggling. Okay, yeah, low energy. Oh, what the... Just a bottled burb. Yeah, that yeah, I'm not gonna question it too much. But yeah, let's go say hi to Miku art. Nice being, really nice being, really chill. Nice art as well, really beautiful. Let's not forget the little squawk in their chat, as per usual on my streams. Our little raid. Beautiful raids, ain't they? But yeah, until tomorrow's Avatar Mondays. Just probably gonna be super fun. Stay safe, and I'll catch you soon. See ya, beeps!